What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I'm going to teach you proper risk management and how to place your stop loss. So do me a favor, guys, if you are trading options and you want to learn how to properly place your stop loss so that you can manage your risk, so you can keep your losses small, make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? But also, while you at it, please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Kicking it off with my favorite portion of every video, which is loving on you guys. Guys, understand it is all about you when it comes to me. This one was titled Spy Play. Hey fam, first I want to say thank you. I've been watching your videos for some time. When to enter and exit has become most important on my journey, coupled with the teachings. I entered at 1:13 and exited at 3:50 p.m. Initial plan was to hold, then I seen profit. God bless. Be daring, be first, be different, be just. Anita Roddick. Listen, guys, check this out. Phenomenal execution. She got in 10 contracts. She was into the SPY at 566. I'm loving this. She took the SPY to where, say, current price, guys, at 696. So that's over 100 points, okay? 130 points to be exact. She was up nearly 23%. She crushed her $1,000 a day. I told you guys we were gonna make $1,000 today or yesterday, which was tomorrow. But she got nearly $1,300. She bought the play today. She gave herself time just in case she needed time to recover, which was expiration of 10:15. Anita, flawless execution. Coach couldn't be more proud. I love to see this, but more importantly, I'm loving the work you're putting in, because what you did today is replicatable. When you guys can duplicate your success, that's when the game busts wide open for you. This is how you expedite the process of getting off the corporate plantation, because when you trade like Coach, you'll notice if you have a go-to one or two patterns you see, you can do it time and time again. They're going to show it to you every week, every month, every year. And if you catch them 2 or 3 times a week, boom, you would do this all the way to 100K, all the way to 1 million, all the way to your debt is paid. And it's a beautiful thing when you stay disciplined and you stay anchored in humility. Anita, major salute. Now check this out, guys. This one was from Ali Zane. Today is a special day. Props to you, Coach. He said, hey, Chris, I have been watching your vids since COVID. Actually starting to take your advice seriously beginning in 2024. Today had my patience for SPY to climb up to 572 as mentioned in the Discord. Make sure you guys are in the Discord, guys. I am laying out levels that will be spot on every single day. Even if you don't know how to read the chart yet, you can follow directions. Listen to this. He hit 572 as mentioned in Discord and got inputs. That's so he let it go to resistance. He saw how high it went. He saw it wasn't going in higher. So he got inputs. Follow this, guys. These lessons. Yes, I'm loving on you guys and celebrating you guys, but I'm also trying to walk you through the psychology of how other winners, other students, your peers are making money every day. Okay. He said, I wrote it down. Thanks to you, your teachings, I didn't overstay my welcome and got out up $300. Your teaching and levels have helped me to get out of all-time negative 5K to finally being all-time positive. I love this. Look at this, guys. He had one contract, 30%. I love this. Up 30%, $332. He made his $100 a day, ending out at $300 on the day. Anita made $1,000 today, hitting her $1,000 for the day. She was really more closer to $1,300, but we keep it humble around here, okay? And so I just wanted to say major salute to you guys. Coach couldn't be more proud. Across the board, guys, I'm getting blew up. My phone and email is going off the chain with you guys finally starting to get it for this year's cohort, and I'm loving it, okay? And so, guys, just keep putting in the work. I remember teaching this in 2020, and my 2020 audience was catching on by the 10th month. I remember my 2021 audience was catching on by the 9th or 10th month. My 2022 audience, my 2023. Now you guys are showing improving and getting real results every day. Okay, I love it. I couldn't be more proud. Okay, now check this out, guys. We are going to go ahead and place our stop loss on and show you guys how to properly risk management. Okay, check this out, guys. This is going to be Apple. I want to use a real play, and you can do this whether you got calls or puts. Okay, this is Apple. The ticker symbol is AAPL, sitting at 225.20. It was up nearly 2% on the day, $4.09. I had a beautiful day in Apple with calls. I buy calls at support, guys. I keep it real simple, but it's easier said than done. Okay, listen to this. Let's look at my play. Let's go ahead and look at this. All right, check this out. I have an Apple 222.5 put. Okay, I want to walk you guys through this. Let's look at this, because I'm going to always be transparent, and I'm going to show you how the game is done. All right, I'm going to show you. I have been showing it since 2020. Okay, now we just get more down right to the granular things that matter. 15 contracts. Look at this. My average cost is 108. The current price is 93. So coach is down 14% on this, or $227. Okay, where does your stop loss go if you bought it at 108? Everybody take notes on this. This is a lesson on stop loss. Save this video, share this video so that you have it in your archive, because I teach this 100 times throughout the year, but the video isn't called stop loss. It's right in there with Nvidia set to explode, or this stock will double. It's in there, but you got to watch the videos to see the lesson on stop losses. So this one will be no different. So save this, because I'm about to cook. All right, average cost is 108. Where does your stop loss go? For me, guys, my stop loss would go 30 points down from my entry, with the intent that it won't get hit, so I can raise it up as the stock go higher. All right, so check this out. I'm currently down 93. 93 is only, what, 15 points. So another 15 points, then it will trigger my stop. But let's go ahead and put a stop loss on. Go ahead and hit trade. Hit sell when you are in it. Okay, whether you are buying calls or buying puts, the process is the same. All right, let's get in here. All right, look at this, guys. So can you see my screen? You have a limit price bid and ask of 90 to 95. We are going to change limit order to a stop limit. Now look at this. Okay, so you got the stop price and the limit price. All right, if you are doing calls and puts, this process is exactly the same. Calls and puts is exactly the same when you're trading. Okay, calls and puts are exactly the same when you're trading. You do everything the same. You just will, price will go down on puts, price will go up on calls, but the action in here will be the same. All right, let's cook. I got 15 contracts. I'm gonna put 15 contracts in here. Okay, the stop price will be, I told you we go 30 points down from where we got in at. So 30 minus 108 will put us at 78. So watch this, guys. We're gonna put the stop price. The stop price going to be at 0.78, and we're going to put the limit price at 0.70. Let me know if you guys see that. Let me know if you guys see this right here. So when it get inside that bracket of 78 cent to 0.70 cent, it is going to make sure it stops me out somewhere in there, most likely at the stop price of 78, but it won't go no lower than 70. Let me know if that makes sense. This is how you properly place your stop loss on. When you're at this screen, it's going to first say limit price. When you're in the Robinhood app, you have to hit the drop down arrow at the top of the screen to change it to stop limit order. When you change it to stop limit order, that is when you will see these two columns, one that says stop price, the other that says limit price. And look at how the limit price is the final number. So the limit price needs to be the lowest number that you want to get stopped out at. Okay, don't put the limit price above the stop price. Write this part down. Coach said don't put the limit price above the stop price. The limit price need to be your lowest number. So you're saying line in the sand. I want to get stopped out at 78, but don't let this joker come to 70. That way you still have the majority of your money intact and you can get back to work. You can pivot if you need to. You can readjust and just re-enter the play at where you're supposed to get it at, because your entry obviously was wrong if it actually comes down this low. And listen to this lesson, guys. This will be the same thing. Okay, you place your stop loss here. Okay, now you remember I got this at 108. So you will place your stop loss. So say, boom, this play, look at this. Say it goes up to 148. You come right back here. You take that, look, you hit trade, you hit sell. You take the 15 plays off at 90, and now look, you move your stop up. You gotta take the one you had off. Now you moving it. If it's at 148, you bought it at 108. You may put this at 128 to make sure you at least make some money. Boom. So you would raise your stop loss like this, and say you did something like this right here. Boom. So if it got in that range after it ran up, you take the stop loss off, then you move it up to make sure you're trailing it higher, and you're just going in, taking it off, moving it up, and then boom. Once it comes down and stops you out, and say it hit 135 or 128, boom, you're out. But at least you locked in profit. If it never hits you out and it keeps just going on, you just keep going up and up and up until you're satisfied and ready to take profits. Typically, guys, on average, I like to take profits at 20%, 40%, 50%, or 100%, okay? And at the lower end, 12 to 15%. I try to be consistent in those ranges of where coach locks in profit, okay? But this is how you would do that, guys. This is how you would do it. But from the 108 price, you would definitely be shooting for something like this and something like this if you really wanted to lock it in and make your stop loss stick. Okay, let me know if that lesson is helpful. Let me know if this is understood. Okay, this is what it should look like. Look at this. You can also make sure that it has a 5-cent buffer if you wanted to just, again, just be consistent. Everything should be in 5. So 0.70, the stop price is at 0.75. So anytime you get within that bracket, within that 5-cent range, your stop loss is going to activate. And this is how you properly manage your risk. This is how you properly protect your profits, okay? Listen, guys, hopefully that lesson was helpful. Hopefully this added value. Please share this if you can. Please make sure that you save this if you can, okay? I want to make sure these videos are helpful and meaningful and add value to you guys on your journey, because I'm determined to make sure you get this and actually understand it, because I know it can change your life. You just need to know all the little tools to have in your tool belt to make sure you're playing the game properly, because Wall Street don't play fair. And check this out. The Trick, Trap, and Frustrate crew is out to get you, so you have to be on defense at all time, okay? You got to stay on your pivot at all times, all right? So listen, guys, hopefully that was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, please make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.